Hi, today I'm going to share with you Windows has actually just announced recently the latest new Windows 11 upgrade version 25H2. Okay, version 25H2 is actually now available. Okay, can be delivered using the service technology, which is basically under the Windows Update. I am now seeing it at my Windows Update. Windows Update. Okay, over here you need to get the latest update. It's now actually downloading the latest preview, the Windows 11 version 25H2 for my laptop. Okay, for my laptop. So I will just wait for it to complete downloading and then I'll try to test it out. So, and we'll yeah, likely do another video to see the features on the Windows 11 25H2. It's actually limited to a few devices running Windows 11 version 24H2 for users already that has the latest updates toggled and all that. Okay, yeah. They will check on the whether any device compatibility issue drivers and yeah, I'm going to test it out. Okay, let's look through. Version 25H2 is now available via Windows Auto Patch and Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Yeah, targeted deployment to validate apps and devices. Structure as expected with the new release. Wi-Fi 7. Wi-Fi 7 offers IT admins to remove selected pre-installed Microsoft Store apps. What else do you have? Okay, this is yeah, basically this should tell you about how to get it. I have already showed you how to get it. Essentially in Windows Update area. You just look out for here whether is there you need to make sure you have actually regularly update your Windows, and then if you have updated your Windows regularly, you will likely to get the preview of the Windows 11 version 25 to the latest update. Okay, screen that. Right, and then I will do another video on the update once I install it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.